So these are my new lights that basically screw into the existing housing. Easy plug and play. And they have this cool nightlight feature that you can use, and it also works with the dimmer. If you look up close, you can see it's a ring around the edge. And if I go here to the switch and turn the switch off and back on, then the floodlights come on, and you can use the dimmer for those as well. You turn the switch off and back on again, and the ring lights come back on, which I think is really cool. Makes for great TV.
1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1.
It looks more yellow in the video, but it's definitely